Dear participants, each year on 23 June, the world celebrates Olympic Day. Hundreds of thousands of people gathered together by the national Olympic committees across the globe share the Olympic spirit. Olympic Day is more than just a day when we commemorate the birth of the modern Olympic movement. It is a day to remember that the practice of sport should be enjoyed by all, regardless of age, gender or athletic ability. More than ever, in this Olympic year, such a day represents an opportunity not only to move, but also to learn and discover together the meaning of sport and its values. Namely, that we must always try our very best, that it does not matter whether we win or lose, but how we play the game. Because sport brings to all generations a healthier and more balanced life and makes them feel better. Dear participants and spectators, enjoy every moment of the 2012 Olympic Day. And above all, have fun.